Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. So, Z66 untrained, underserved mechanic, and we're going to be racing the positive battery terminal on my Infiniti. I'm about to get this car ready to sell, and this one's jacked up. This is the new one. Oops, make sure that's still. And that's going to be probably a 12, but I'm going to come back for that. Alright, so this is a 12 mil. As you can see, let me find this. This one isn't super bad, but it's starting to corrode badly and have issues. We're just going to go ahead and slap another one on there. Just hand tight that. Get that tight. Make sure they don't. Good and tight. Now we're going to give her a test run. and there we go. I hope you enjoy. Goodbye. Well, everyone, this is Z66, your undertrade, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.